Hi guys, I'm back with another quick recipe today. I'll be making a chickpea curry known as Chana Masala. As always, quick, easy, and delicious. And what you'll need is what's right in front of here. So you'll need some oil, some ground coriander, some haldi known as turmeric, black pepper, salt, chili powder, zira known as cumin seeds, whole cloves, some garlic ginger paste, a can of chickpeas, mine is 540 ml, a little bit of baking soda, and one medium onion. All right, let's get going. For prep on this, only thing you need to do is chop up an onion. Now that the onion's all chopped up, let's start the cooking. Okay, so first thing is I'm gonna turn my fire on to medium flame. And into my wok, I'm gonna go ahead and add 1/3 cup of oil. Okay, there we go. Okay, once the oil is in there, I'm going to go ahead and add in 1 tablespoon of cumin seeds. And I'm just going to let this fry for a bit. You want to wait until the cumin seeds are just browned a bit and you start smelling the aroma of the cumin seeds. Okay, the oil has sizzled a bit. I can hear the cumin seeds cooking. They're browning a bit. So this is my point to go ahead and add in the onion. This process is about 2 to 3 minutes. After that, you can go ahead and add in the chopped up medium onion. And now, again, we're still on a medium fire, and we're just going to let the onion brown up. Okay, that looks like most of them are nice and brown. So now what we're gonna go ahead and do is add 1/2 a cup of water in there. It will sizzle a bit, don't worry. Okay, so now that's stopped our browning process, which is what we wanted because we don't want the onions to burn. And this is also going to contribute to our curry base. So this is what the chickpeas are going to sit in. So now what we're going to do is we're going to add in a teaspoon of garlic and ginger paste. Just mix that in. And I'm just going to let this kind of dissolve and cook in with the onions for about a minute. Once the garlic ginger paste, you can also use fresh garlic and ginger, by the way, it's just a teaspoon. Once it's dissolved in, I'm going to go ahead and add the rest of my spices. So for all the spices that we're adding 1/4 teaspoon. As for the whole cloves, you can go ahead and add in about 5 or 6 of these. 6 there, throw those in. Okay, once that's all in, just gonna mix this. And this has created our nice base for the chickpeas, so our masala part. Again, we're still on that medium flame. Once everything is dissolved and mixed in, we're gonna take our chickpea can. And this is where the people that didn't want me to waste the pineapple juice, I will be keeping the liquid the chickpeas are in, and we will be adding this as is. We are not gonna strain these. We're going to add the entire chickpea can, including the water. Okay. And now, mix that all together. I'm gonna mix that really well. And I'm gonna let this just come to a boil until I add in the last ingredient. Okay, so once your chickpeas are boiling slightly, you want to go ahead and add in 1/2 teaspoon of baking soda. So that's 1/4. And there's the other 1/4. You have a teaspoon, and just give that a mix. And once you give it a mix, you'll see that your chickpeas should start doing this foaming action. Okay. Which is what you want, because that's going to help cook the chickpeas faster. And now we are going to cover the dish, and we are going to lower the fire to a low. You don't want to go too low that it's not cooking, but low enough that it's still cooking, but cooking slowly. And now we're just going to let this sit until it reduces and the chickpeas are fully cooked through. So you can check every now and then. This process should take about 5 to 10 minutes, and then that's it. So I still have it covered, and as you can see, it's still boiling underneath, which tells me that it's still cooking slowly, but it is still cooking. This is what we want. All right, so it's been about 10 minutes now, so I'm gonna go ahead and remove this and just check on how the chickpeas are doing. You can just take one of them and give it a taste to see if it's cooked through. Okay, so mine is pretty much cooked through. So now what I'm just gonna do is I'm just gonna mix this a bit. I'm gonna raise the fire again now, back to a medium. And I'm just going to stir this occasionally now until it's at the desired consistency that I want. Okay, so now this is at a consistency that I like. And so I'm gonna go ahead and turn off the fire. And that's it. It's done. You can serve this or enjoy this with naan, roti, rice, even on its own. It's completely up to you. I prefer it with some naan. Right there. I'm gonna give it a taste. Let's put some in there and take a bite. Let's give that a taste. That's really good. It's nice. And with naan, it's like perfect. I hope you guys enjoy, and I hope you guys try it. Let me know what you think. Bye!